Okay, back to the 1970 Corvette road race car. Put the front fenders on, installed the front bumper, mocked up this mid-70s, mid-80s road race front spoiler. Did a little bit of work to the hood, shimmed the header bar up so the front of the hood doesn't stick up very high. It seems to fit relatively well. Front bumper's on it. Everything lines up pretty good. This is the dash that I'm going to be using. It's a pretty unusual dash. This dash was, I think, created by Greenwood. It was used in mid-70 race cars. We're getting to the quarter panels soon. Dug the quarter panels out. They're GM. They should fit really nice. It's going to repair this wheel opening. That way we can get it looking stock again. Even though it's not going to be a stock car, I do like the idea of it having a stock appearing body. So that's going to be a nice repair. Another look at the dash. It's just mocked up, sitting in there just so that I can get a rough idea of how it's going to be. Fit on everything's decent. Got some bigger mini light wheels for the back. Talk about that in another video, but this is just an update.